So in less than a minute, I'm going to help you figure out your message, and then I'm going to share with you right after that how to actually use the message to market your online business. So imagine you want to sell your advice online. You want to create a digital product. You want to use coaching, advice, and support, and you want to sell somebody. And you want these people to pay you monthly, let's say $20, $50, $100+ per month to get access to your advice. But you can't get into contact with them, and you can't get them to join your membership because you say you don't know your message. So let's do it. The first question you need to ask yourself is, what do I want to be known for? It's very simple. Just pick one thing that you want to be known for. It's really hard to be known for two things. Pick one thing that you want to be known for. Imagine you want to be known for the person that helps people make money online, or you want to be known for the person that helps people get in shape, or you want to be known for the person that helps people with their relationships, or you want to be known for the person that teaches people how to carve out of wood. Whatever it is, pick one thing. Now ask yourself, why do you want to be known for this? What happened? Why did you want to be into this? What happened? Answering those two questions, or three, if you will, why and what happened, I kind of roll into one, is going to tell you your message. Now, once you understand what you want to be known for and why you want to be known for that, and you know what happened, you literally talk about exactly what actually happened that made you want to do this thing. That is your message. That's your story. Now, how do you use it? Well, there's 3 levels. All people, before they become a customer, go through these 3 levels. So you cannot not think about these 3 levels. And when you're thinking about these 3 levels, just remember when you're creating daily content using the message that you just figured out in less than a minute, you are going to know what to talk about in each of these 3 things. In level 1, these are people that are not aware that they even have a problem. They're like, let's say that you're helping somebody make money online. These people, they're at a job, they're doing stuff, and they're like, I'm not even sure that there's another better way. They don't even know. So you would create content that would talk about what the options are out there, or who it's for, or why this thing that you're talking about could actually be a reality. And when they stumble onto that content, they become aware that there is something actually better out there that could help them make money without having to go to a job, listen to a boss, or do shit that they don't like to do. Okay, so you're creating content at this level. Then you've got to take the people that are now aware that there's something to the next level of trust with you, which is, how do I actually solve it? So they're like, wow, now I realize there's a better way. Let me go investigate and figure out how to actually solve the problem. So they get into this how-to. You're sharing stories about how you helped other people do it or how you did it yourself, since you answered the question of why you want to do it and what happened so that you actually can talk about what you did. You start talking about content on this level. So you have to make content for level 1, level 2, and then the people that are like, oh, wow, now I know that there's these solutions. Then they're going and they're saying, yeah, but there might be other people that know this stuff that could be teaching this stuff. Let me do my due diligence and check all the other people. So they're going to compare you to other people and what they could do. Or you could save them that trouble and you could show them, here's A versus B, this is us versus them, this is this versus that. And that's the 3rd level of content you make. When they're in that consideration stage, you need to help them understand why you matter and what you can actually do to help them. Now, most people, here's the biggest problem that they have. They don't share their message because everything I talked to you about just now is actually pretty simple. But the reason you won't share it is because you're afraid that somebody might make fun of you. Your friend, your spouse, your brother, your sister, your closest people, your peers. You're afraid that they're going to see you trying to improve your life and do something out of the normal, and you're more worried about what they think than what you actually want to experience in your life, which sucks. And I would let this go. Nobody actually really does care what you're doing. They're just worried about themselves. And remember, people that are below you are going to talk smack. People that are above you are going to give you a hand up. So who do you really care about, right? And I would just really focus on the person you're trying to help. So remember, we are understanding what we want to be known for. Then we're explaining to ourselves why we actually want to do this. And then we are going to figure out what happened that gives us the right to follow this or to teach this or to do this. And then we know that we have to create content in these different levels in order to actually make this happen. Now, if you want more help with this, I do have a free workshop that I do every single day that helps you. You can find that down in the description. I've also got another program. It's the only thing that I sell you can learn about that down in the description as well. But hopefully this helped you, and I hope that if you're wanting to figure out how to actually hone that message in, map out exactly what type of content you would be creating in each of those levels, start out your content with a question, a statement, or a story, and then actually help them understand what it is that you're talking about, and then of course, tell them where to go to get more help from you.